At times you may wish to review the vocabulary for a particular book or verse range. To do so, we'll set a filter for your vocabulary flashcards. Go to Tools and Filter. Click the radio button, Include only words in this verse range. Then in the field below, enter the book name for the book that you wish to review vocabulary for. So if we wish to review the vocabulary for Romans, I'll type ROM, then click Apply. Close the Review Filters window. And now my vocabulary flashcards have been filtered to display only the words from Romans. If I wish to study the vocabulary for the words in a particular verse range, I'll go to Tools, Filter. Again, include only words in this verse range. But let's say I wish to study Romans chapters 5 through 8. To my book name for Romans, ROM, I've added space 5-8 for just those chapters. Or if I wish to review the vocabulary for Romans chapter 1, verses 1 through 20, I can type in ROM space colon 1-20 and click Apply. To remove the filter, just reverse the process. Click on Tools, Filter, and you can delete your verse range, and also check to include all words in the vocabulary file. Then click Apply, and close the Review Filters window.